Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Wrangler TJ steering stabilizer. First, let's ensure you have everything ready for a smooth process. Always prioritize safety by parking your Jeep on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Gather all your tools beforehand, such as wrenches and a jack, and remember to wear protective gear like gloves and eye protection. This preparation will make the job much easier and safer for you. Now let's get to removing the old steering stabilizer. You'll find it mounted horizontally, usually connecting the tie rod to the axle. Begin by using a 17mm wrench to loosen and remove the nut on the axle side. Once that's off, proceed to remove the bolt from the tie rod end. With both fasteners removed, you can simply slide the old stabilizer off its mounts. It's a straightforward process. With the old stabilizer removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new steering stabilizer, making sure to align the mounting holes correctly. First, insert the bolt through the tie rod end and hand tighten it. Next, attach the axle side of the stabilizer, securing it with its bolt and nut. Ensure everything is snug, but do not fully tighten yet. This ensures proper alignment before final torque. Before you hit the road, let's perform some crucial final checks. Go back and double-check all the bolts and nuts you touched, ensuring they are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Also, visually inspect the new steering stabilizer to confirm it moves freely and doesn't bind at any point in the steering range. Finally, take your Jeep for a short test drive to feel the improved steering and ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.